said they wanted to bring Mashiach, the complete redemption, but he said because Yao didn't say praise.
Praise.
He did praise. He says, of course he was praised, but not like he should have. So the same thing the Rebbe says. Our generation, we have to see things, miraculous things, and get excited from it because this brings the redemption.
Wow.
Look in the secret. It's a very, very amazing thing.
So it's all timely because we're talking about water and miracle
very
water.
Timely.
Let me get some. I want to make a bracha.
It's very timely.
In the same cup? Okay, let's
You want another cup? Here.
It's fine, it's fine. Okay, here. I want you to film me. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam she'akin Dvar.
Amen.
L'chaim.
L'chaim.
Whoever needs healing should have healing.
Amen. Now, I'd give it to people who are sick and various things. I'd give people who had dreams from the Rebbe, changed their lives.
Wow. From the Rebbe Water?
From the Rebbe Water. I gave in 96, 97, I gave the guy some Rebbe Water, and he was very nervous. He'd been living with a non-Jew for a while, then he stopped that, but for a year and a half he'd been on they'd give him all kind of psychiatric drugs, and he went off all of them, and he couldn't sleep. He was a nervous wreck. So I gave him some Rebbe Water, and a dream from the Rebbe. Now, about 8 years ago, I happened to see him, and I was living in LA at the time, and he was there, and he told me this dream, he has more with him now, like 20 years later, 30 years, then more than. So what was the dream? He was frantically dialing Israel, and he has this dream, and the Rebbe comes to him in the dream, and he puts his hand on his forehead and takes him the light and down his bed. And he says that's worth more today than it was before.
Wow. So you go around, you're a Rebbe Water advocate. You go around, I see sometimes you put the pitcher in 770, you put a little cooler for people to take, and you give people, so that's your Indian, you're koching it.
My Indian is to help people and to do good stuff.
Right. What's your name?
Tzvi Rao.
Tzvi Rao, beautiful.
And this is one of the things. I also have an app, Rebbe 770, REBBE 770, where you can write, they put where the Rebbe prays over here. REBBE 770.
In the App Store.
And I have classes, and the last year the Rebbe spoke. He says the most important thing. My whole thing is that I just want to do good. It helps me. I mean,
beautiful.
It makes me happy, you know.
Okay, that's a good way to be happy. So the secret to happiness is what?
It's helping other people, and really believing, even though you might not sense it or feel it, believe what the Rebbe says and get into it, and realize that's the truth.
Okay.
The Torah is the truth, and when learning, like especially last year, the Rebbe talks about how that's where he talks about all the miracles that we're at the highest level we are ever before. By learning it, they have classes in English there, and you learn it, it changes you, it picks you up, reveals your soul.
Amazing, thank you.
Sei gesund, everybody. Yechi Adonai, Moren Vena Melch Mashiach Ved. We should see Gula Shlema. Hopefully, I'm trying to get this on Amazon, but you have to search around where to get it.
All right, we're gonna go global.
One quick story. I was here here.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
And I met a guy here, so I give out the app. This guy had a smartphone. Not all the Chassidim have smartphones. So I said, "You want the app?" Sure. I said, "You want Rebbe Water?" He says, "I've been looking for it for 3 years." He says.
Wow. You see, you got to get some more PR. We're gonna make his flow up.
Moses. So I gave him a little bottle. The next Shabbos, I'm here. A friend of mine, it's a friend of his, calls me over, and he says, "You know, you gave the water to Yochezkel." I said, "Yeah." He said, "Yeah, for months he had trouble breathing, and now he drank his better. I had problems with my feet. I put it on. People had rashes. It goes.
So you rub it on. You can drink it. Anyway, internal, external.
Took bath in it when I had very bad reaction to antibiotic. Disappeared. I have pictures of it. It's amazing. Nothing like it in the world, and it keeps working.
Okay, good.
Like it was a